Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best LG water filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining the health and taste of your drinking water, ensuring that every glass you pour is crisp, clean, and free from impurities that can affect both flavor and well-being, making it a crucial investment for any household prioritizing pure hydration and appliance longevity. Number 5. LG LT700P Refrigerator Water Filter. Enjoy crisp, clean water and ice with our advanced refrigerator filter. It's designed to significantly improve the taste and odor of your water. This filter goes beyond taste, reducing harmful contaminants like lead, mercury, and asbestos. It ensures the water your family drinks is healthier. With a capacity of 200 gallons, it provides up to 6 months of reliable filtration. Regular replacement maximizes its effectiveness. Designed to fit a range of LG refrigerators, it's an easy and essential upgrade. Check the compatibility list to ensure a perfect match. NSF certified for both health and safety standards, NSF 42 and NSF 53, you can trust its performance. It's a simple way to ensure water purity. Replacing your old filter is straightforward. Simply swap it out every 6 months or after 200 gallons for optimal results. What we like. This filter is certified to deliver clean and healthy water. It effectively reduces chlorine taste and odor, as well as harmful contaminants like lead and mercury. If you are looking for a reliable filter that ensures great tasting water and ice for your family, this is a solid choice. What people say. Authentic OEM filter, fits perfectly with no leaks or error codes on my LG fridge. Improves water taste noticeably, no chlorine or chemical taste, and ice cubes come out crystal clear. NSF 42 and 53 certified, removes both aesthetic impurities, taste, odor, chlorine, and contaminants like lead and mercury. Number 4. Filterlogic ADQ 736134001 Refrigerator Water Filter 3-Pack. This filter is designed to fit a wide range of LG refrigerator models, ensuring a perfect match for your appliance. It serves as the ideal replacement for various LG filter part numbers, including the LT800P and ADQ 736134002. Certified by NSF ANSI 42 and 372, it uses lead-free materials to deliver safer, healthier water by minimizing chlorine and contaminants. Thoroughly pressure-tested for strength and stability, it ensures structural integrity and leak prevention for long-term, reliable operation. Featuring premium activated carbon, it effectively reduces 99% of chlorine and other impurities, providing fresher, great-tasting water. Each filter is rated for up to 6 months of dependable filtration, reducing maintenance and replacement costs. By choosing this filter, you can reduce plastic bottle consumption and contribute to a more sustainable household. What we like. This option offers wide compatibility with many LG refrigerator models. It's NSF ANSI 42 and 372 certified, ensuring safe and reliable use by minimizing chlorine and contaminants. If you need a filter that guarantees fresher, healthier water and are looking for a cost-effective multi-pack, this is the one to consider. What people say. Swapping out the old filter and popping this one in was as easy as making toast. No tools, no fuss, just twist, click, and you're good to go. My water tastes crisp and clean, without any odd aftertastes. Even the ice cubes are clearer, which is a small but noticeable bonus. This filter fits my LG fridge perfectly, just as promised. No leaks, no adjustments, it's like it was made for it, because, well, it is. Number 3. LG LT800P Refrigerator Water Filter. Enjoy crisp, clean water with our advanced refrigerator filter. It's designed to remove impurities, ensuring every glass is refreshing. This filter provides up to 6 months of clean water, or 200 gallons of use. You can rely on it for consistent performance. Rest assured, it meets NSF 42 and NSF 53 standards for your health and safety. It's rigorously tested for quality. Designed for a perfect fit, it easily replaces your old filter. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Its slim design ensures it won't take up unnecessary space in your refrigerator. Get great filtration in a compact package. Compatible with multiple part numbers like ADQ736134001, ADQ736134008, or ADQ757955104. It's the dependable choice for your fridge. What we like. This filter is designed to provide clean and great-tasting water and ice. It's NSF certified to reduce various contaminants, ensuring purity for your household. If you prioritize a balance of performance and taste for your family's drinking water, this filter is an excellent option. What people say. Water tastes great and they're so easy to pop in after you remove the old. The water is crystal clear and has zero taste. This is a replacement filter for our refrigerator water ice system. It worked perfectly and allowed us to receive a filter quickly rather than wait for 2 weeks from the manufacturer's website. Number 2. LG LT500P Refrigerator Water Filter. Enjoy crisp, clean water that enhances the taste of your beverages and meals. This filter ensures every drop is refreshing and pure. Experience revolutionary filtration that effectively removes most impurities from your water. It's designed to give you peace of mind with every sip. This filter is built to last, providing up to 6 months or 500 gallons of clean water. You can rely on it for consistent performance. While it filters out unwanted contaminants, it wisely retains beneficial minerals like fluoride. You get purity without compromising your health. Crafted with top-quality materials, this filter is made for durability and longevity. It's a reliable choice for your home. Certified by NSF, you can trust its performance in delivering safe and great-tasting water. It meets high standards for your satisfaction. What we like. This filter boasts an impressive 500-gallon capacity, offering extended use for up to 6 months. It utilizes revolutionary technology to filter impurities while importantly retaining beneficial minerals like fluoride. If you are looking for a filter that provides exceptional longevity and doesn't strip your water of helpful nutrients, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It fits perfectly, no funny taste, and no leaks. The OEM filter is more expensive, but the water quality is much better. Easy to install and the water tastes clean. No issues so far, just a reliable LG replacement that gets the job done. Number 1. Crystala Filters LT700P Replacement for LG Water Filter, 3 packs. Experience the difference with our advanced water filter. It's crafted with premium coconut shell carbon for superior taste and purity, ensuring every sip is refreshing and healthy. Rest assured, our filter is certified lead-free and BPA-free. It meets stringent NSF 42 standards, guaranteeing safe and high-quality water for you and your family. Enjoy water free from 99% of chlorine and other impurities. It effectively reduces contaminants while retaining beneficial minerals, significantly improving taste and quality. Replacing your water filter has never been easier. Our design ensures a perfect fit, preventing leaks and allowing for a quick, hassle-free installation in just minutes. For the best filtration results, we recommend replacing the filter every 6 months or 300 gallons. Consistent replacement ensures you always have access to the highest quality water and ice. This filter is designed to be compatible with a wide range of LG and Kenmore refrigerator models. Check our compatibility list to ensure a perfect match for your appliance. What we like. This filter uses 100% selected coconut shell carbon for superior filtration, significantly improving water taste. It's certified lead-free and BPA-free, meeting NSF 42 standards. If you prioritize enhanced water taste and a filter that is easy to install without worrying about leaks, this is a great option for you. What people say. Fits my new LG fridge perfectly. It looks and functions almost identically to the brand name version. The product arrived a day ahead of promised delivery date. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.